Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video we are discussing important current affairs for the topic awards and recognition for Feb month. Let's start. The first question is, identify the Maharatna public sector undertaking that has earned the Great Place to Work certification for the third consecutive time in January month. Right option is Steel Authority of India Limited, that is SAIL, and this marks their third consecutive year that SAIL has received this certification. Next, Arunachal Pradesh mountaineer Kabak Yano has successfully summited Mount Aconcagua. Mount Aconcagua is located in which country? It is in Argentina. Next is, who was awarded with the 2026 Crafoord Prize in Geosciences, popularly known as the Nobel of Geosciences, by the Royal Swedish Academy of Science in Feb month. So who was awarded with this award? So right option here is Virabandran Ramanathan was awarded with the Nobel Prize of Geosciences, also known as the Crafoord Prize in Geoscience. He recognized for decades of pioneering climate research, specifically in aerosols, superpollutants and atmospheric brown clouds. Next, name the country's Queen Mother who was honored with the 22nd Upendra Nath Brahma Soldiers of Humanity Award in Feb month at the Bodoland University in Assam month. So, name that country's Queen Mother. Right option is Bhutan. Next is, Dash secured both ISO 9001-215 and 5S Gold Grade certification in Feb month, becoming the first company in India's natural stone industry to achieve this dual distinction. So, Dash secured the both ISO 9001-2015 and 5S Gold Grade certification. It is HMG Stones LLP. With this, HMG Stones became the first company in India's natural stone industry to simultaneously secure both the certification. Next, find the port authority that won the first prize at the Swachhta Pakhwada Awards presented by the Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways for excellence in cleanliness, sustainability and community participation, announced in Feb 2026. So, right option is Paradeep Port Authority. This Paradeep Port Authority is located in which state? It is located in Odisha. Next, who won the Global Teacher Prize, often referred to as the Nobel Prize for Teaching, at the World Government Summit in Dubai, UAE in Feb 2026? Right option is Rubal Nagi. She is the second Indian to receive the honor. Also, the award includes a cash prize of $1 million. Next, name the city in USA that joined the World Health Organization's Global Outbreak Alert and Response Network on 5th of Feb. It is New York City. Next, who among the following senior ophthalmologists from Puducherry affiliated with the Arvind Eye Care Systems were selected for the Chang Crandall Humanitarian Award in Feb month for their contributions to cataract blindness prevention and visibility and visual disability care? Name that ophthalmologist. Right option is Dr. Hariyappa Arvind and Dr. R. Venkatesh. They were honored and they are from Puducherry, ophthalmologists from Puducherry. They were recently selected for the Chang Crandall Humanitarian Award. Next, in Feb, India's Our Lady of Grace Cathedral, that is in Vasai, Maharashtra, became the only religious site from India to receive the recognition of the UNESCO Asia Pacific Awards for Cultural Heritage Conservation, winning the Dash category. So it is winning the awards of merit for merit recognition category. Next, in Feb, Manipuri language film Boong became the first Indian film to win the BAFTA Awards for Best Children's and Family Film at the 79th edition of the ceremony that was held at the Royal Festival Hall in London, UK. Take a note of this, students. Then next, who was conferred with the royal honor of Dato by Kirajan Kutai Mulavaram on Feb 23rd in recognition of the contributions to social development, humanitarian efforts, and agro-economic cooperation. Right option is Dr. Bhargav Malappa. Next, in Feb, the Airport Council International, in partnership with the gold sponsor International Aeronautical Telecommunication Society, released the 2025 Airport Service Quality Customer Experience Award. Which of the following is not among the best airports at arrival global in the 2025 ASQ Customer Experience Award? Among the following, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport of Mumbai, Maharashtra is not among them. Rest four are included in it. So these are your important current affairs. Now it's time for the revision part. Next, who was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Manipur in Feb, nearly 1 year after the President's rule was imposed? Right option is Yumnam Khemchand Singh. Right, sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Manipur. Students, take a note of this. Next, identify the automobile manufacturer that appointed Kenta Kon as the new president and CEO in Feb month starting from 1st of April 2026. So, identify that automobile. It is Toyota Motor Corporation. Next, IOC is your International Olympic Committee has elected Soraya Agehi Hajiaga as the first female International Olympic Committee member in Feb 2026. So, as the Iran's first female International Olympic Committee member. Next, which country's Prime Minister Sanaya Takachi's party secured landmark victory in a snap elections held in Feb? So, Sanaya Takichi party is from Japan. Next, identify the leader who won the Thailand's 2026 general elections held in Feb 2026. So, Anutin Charnivakul, right, is the leader who won the Thailand's 2026 general election. Next, identify the bank for which RBI approved R. Vijay Anand as the new managing director and CEO starting from 1st of May 2026 in Feb 2026. So, right option is City Union Bank Limited. Next, name that Indian cricketer who was appointed as the brand ambassador of the inaugural Delhi Khel Mahakumbh in Feb 2026. Right option is Shikhar Dhawan. Next, identify the country that appointed Andrei Gurov as the acting prime minister in Feb to head a caretaker government until April 2026 election. So, identify that country. Right option here is Bulgaria. Moving on, which statutory body functioning under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs elected CA Prasanna Kumar D as the 74th president in Feb for the 26-27 term succeeding CA Charanjot Singh Nanda. Right option is ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Next, who was reappointed as the Managing Director and CEO of AU Small Finance Bank with approval from RBI? Right option is Sanjay Agarwal. Next, in Feb, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas appointed Deepak Gupta as the Chairman and Managing Director of Gas Authority of India Limited, succeeding Sandeep Kumar Gupta. What is the tenure of his post? He will be in this position for the next 3 years. Next, Mia Amor Motley has been re-elected as the Prime Minister of Barbados for third straight term and after her party won all the 30 seats in the general elections held on 11th of Feb. Next, who was appointed as the chairman of Gift Company Limited by Gujarat government in Feb? So, right option is Uday Suresh Kotak has been appointed here. He will be replacing Hasmukh Adhiaji. He is a retired Indian IAS officer. Next, identify the political leader who was sworn in as the 11th Prime Minister of Bangladesh on 17th Feb, ending the 18th month interim administration led by Muhammad Yunus. So, identify the political leader here. Right option is Tariq Rahman. Next, who was appointed as the Managing Director and CEO of Small Finance Bank starting from 17th of Feb. Right option is Ranjan Bajaj. Next, Rob Arnold's Adrianus Jeton was sworn in as the youngest ever Prime Minister of Dash on 23rd Feb, also becoming the country's first openly gay head of the government. Right option is Netherlands. Next, who succeeded Abhinav Bindra as the second vice chair of the International Olympic Committee Athletes Commission after he concluded his 8-10-year tenure in Feb 2026. Right option is Humphrey Kayane. Next, The Financial Service Institution Bureau recommended Hitesh Ramesh Chandra Joshi as chairman cum managing director of which organization? It is for the General Insurance Corporation of India. Next, who was appointed as the global champion for road safety by UN in Feb to promote road safety awareness in India? Right option is Sachin Tendulkar, the famous former cricketer and our currently Rajya Sabha member, has been appointed as the global champion for road safety by UN for promoting road safety awareness in India. Next, IIT Madras Professor B. Ravindran was appointed to UN Independent International Scientific Panel on which sector for AI in Feb, and he will be representing India and the Global South during this conference. Then, who was given the additional charge as the Chief Executive Officer of Niti Aayog by Appointments Committee of the Cabinet on 24th of Feb? Right option is Nidhi Chibbar. She has been given the additional charge as the CEO of Niti Aayog and she's an IAS officer. Next, who resigned as the President and CEO of the World Economic Forum with Elios Zwingli appointed as the interim Chief Executive Officer? Right option is Bosch Brande. So these are your important current affairs, students. Do take a note. Next, Bharat Earth Movers Limited signed a tripartite master research agreement. What does this tripartite mean? There are three organizations who are coming together for this agreement, and this is your tripartite master research agreement. It was signed with IISc Bengaluru and the Foundation for Science, Innovation and Development for Advanced Research and Development in February. So these three organizations have signed this tripartite agreement for research and development. Next, the Department of Social Justice and Empowerment of Physics Valla Foundation has signed a Memorandum of Understanding in Feb month to provide free online coaching for competitive exams across India. Next, choose the defense public sector undertaking that is signed an MOU with the Hindustan Shipyard Limited in Feb to form a consortium for the National Shipbuilding Program. So choose the defense public sector undertaking. It is GRSE, Garden Ridge Shipbuilders and Engineers. Next, name the state government that signed a letter of intent with Starlink Satellite Communication Private Limited to boost digital connectivity across remote and underserved areas. So name that state government. It is Gujarat. Next, identify that organization with which All India Institute of Ayurveda signed a Memorandum of Understanding in 26 to provide cashless treatment across 32 insurance companies. So which is that organization? It is General Insurance Council. Next, identify the stock exchange that has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Department of Post in Feb to expand mutual fund across India. So identify the stock exchange. It is National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Moving on, identify that organization that signed an MOU with the Global Finance and Technology Network in January to accelerate fintech and digital innovation. So identify that organization. It is Startup Policy Forum. Next, identify the country with which India has signed a bilateral social security agreement to prevent double social security contributions for cross-border workers and facilitate smoother mobility for professionals. So identify the country here. It is United Kingdom. Next, name the domestic manufacturer that signed an MOU with the Indian Army to supply advanced carbon fabrics and composite materials for defense applications. So name that domestic manufacturer. It is Agni Vastra. Next, identify that organization that signed an MOU with the Scientific Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and their National Institute of Science Communication and Policy Research in Feb to strengthen science communication and science technology and innovation policy research. So identify that organization. It is Indian National Science Academy. Next, name the organization that signed a collaborative agreement with the CSIR to jointly undertake research and development initiatives. So name that organization. Which is that organization? It is DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. Next, identify the state UT that signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Ministry of Earth Science in Feb to strengthen marine research, coastal resilience and blue economy activities. So identify the state or union territory. It is Puducherry. Next, name that institute that signed an MOU in Feb with Columbia University to establish a joint center of AI for manufacturing. Which is that IIT? It is IIT Bombay. Next, which bank has signed an MOU with Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode in Kerala to collaborate on executive education and capacity building as a part of their 90th Foundation Day celebration? So it was with which bank? It was with Indian Overseas Bank. And this 90th Foundation Day, it is on 10th of Feb. 10th of Feb. Next, identify that university that has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Center for Development of Telematics to collaborate on telecom and cybersecurity products. So, identify that university. It is Rashtriya Raksha University of Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Then, which UAE-based telecom provider partnered with Datawave Networks Limited in Feb to land and invest in Singapore-India Gulf submarine cable system in UAE, United Arab Emirates? It is DO, Emirates Integrated Telecommunications Company Limited. Then name the state government that has signed MOUs worth 5,980 crore rupees in Feb month to strengthen their semiconductor and aerospace manufacturing sectors. So name that state government. It is the government of Tamil Nadu.